Hey y'all, it's Didi.
Do my little dance, she love how I step. Said Didi, you do the best. Like, on my back.
And today we are going to be reacting to Doja Cat. I think the name of the song is the Tension video. She just dropped a music video. But yeah, we're gonna be reacting to that. Yeah, let's get it. Let's go straight into the video. Let's go. I'm starting to understand why people have themselves bigger and have the music video littler, because that's probably won't get you copyrighted. So I'm about to try to do that for the first time. Okay, we're gonna do this. Or not. I got copyrighted again. So enjoy this video of me reacting to the video and y'all staring at Doja face. Thank you. Doja Cat is so pretty. I love her. Look at those earrings that she got on.
You're looking, my taste good, but I just had to redirect my cooking. I could have been an opener, I redirect the booking. I read it all the comments saying, D, I'm really shook it. D, you need to see a therapist. Is you looking? Yes, the one I got.
First of all, let's just get into it right now. Let's talk about how gorgeous she looks. Let's talk about how the makeup is slayed. Let's talk about how gorgeous she looks with this new haircut and a new color. Can we talk about it? Can we talk about it? Can we talk about it?
I could have been an opener. I redirect the booking. I read it all the comments saying, D, I'm really shook it. D, you need to see
yes, look at the fit.
Yes, the one I got, they really are the best. Now I feel like I can see you bitches is depressed. I am not afraid to finally say shit with my chest. Lost a little weight, but I ain't never lost a tushy. Looking good, but now my bald head match my... Looking good, but now they all saying that I'm ugly. Boo-hoo, my nigga, I ain't sad you won't fuck me. I'm sad that you...
She is coming for y'all next because of what y'all... Yeah, I saw all them comments about when she made her new haircut. Y'all was talking about, oh, she don't look good no more, da-da-da. Girl, she's a baddie. She's always been a baddie. Like, stop playing with her, for real.
Really thought your ass was above me. You're lucky, cause I just paid your bill with a reply. I just made your money pile knee high. I just made your stats peak. Now you got a blue check.
Hold on. Now I just paid your bill with a reply. Hold on.
That you really thought your ass was above me. You're lucky, cause I just paid your bill with a reply. I just made your money pile knee high. I just made your stats peak. Now you got a blue check. Now you can afford to go and reinstall a new wig. Now you can afford to not be lousy, go and do shit. Talk your shit about me, I can easily disprove it. It's stupid, you follow me, but you don't really care about the music. Baby, if you like it,
I didn't know she was gonna come that hard.
This one doesn't bite.
Hold on. She's coming for y'all next. Yeah. Yeah.
how to bacon. I put a thong all in my ass and taught you how to shake it. I paid all my respect to those who taught me how to make it. And now I reap the benefits with no confrontation. Y'all fell in the beef, but that's another conversation. I'm sorry, but we all find it really entertaining. Cause we all wanna see them slipping forward on their faces. And we all wanna be the one to see the devastation, not be in it. But ain't the bad press good? The disrespect's real. How does protect look? Pull out the checkbook. Now I your neck crook. I never learned a superstar from a textbook. Talking about she falling off, why she get booked, man. I've been humble, I'm tired of all the deprecation. Just let me flex, bruh. Just let me pop shit.
Why she think she Nicki M? She think she hot shit.
I never gave a F. Go stir the pot, bitch. I got your head all in the dirt just like an ostrich. Of course you bitches comparing Doja to who the hottest.
Baby, if you like it, just reach out and put it. This one
Hold on. She said, wait, real quick. She said,
Comparing Doja to who the hottest.
oh my God. And she not even a rap girl for real, but she's eating y'all up. She's giving us rap.
The disrespect's real. How does protect look? Pull out the checkbook. Now I your neck crook. I never learned a superstar from a textbook. Talking about she falling off, why she get booked, man. I've been humble, I'm tired of all the deprecation. Just let me flex, bruh. Just let me pop shit.
Why she think she Nicki M? She think she hot shit.
Why she thinks she Nicki M? Who compared Doja to Nicki Minaj?
Never gave a F. Go stir the pot, bitch. I got your head all in the dirt just like an ostrich. Of course you bitches comparing Doja to who the hottest.
So that was her giving Nicki her props, saying Nicki the hottest. Okay, but why would you? They in two different categories. Like, be for real. But okay, shit, she killing it.
If you like it, just
She ate this video up too.
this one doesn't bite it, doesn't get aggressive. Show you how to touch it, hold it like it's precious. It don't need your loving, it just needs attention. It sees affection. Hungry, it feeds attention.
She's eating this look up. She's giving the girls everything.
Okay, cute.
I feel like
That's it. And just by her saying, "Okay, cute." Okay, sure. You ain't have to give it. You ain't have to give it to us like that, Miss Doja. Miss Doja, you ain't have to give it to us like that. Okay. She gave it to us real raw, real. Stop playing with me. You know what I mean? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I post. I love Doja down. Doja's my girl. Like, I love her down. And yeah, she hasn't dropped anything for a while, so I'm glad that she came back and she's like, boom, bitch, I'm here. Like, stop playing with me. Stop talking about me. And y'all know Doja's a baddie. I don't know why y'all was trying to say that she looks bad with her haircut. Like, y'all always don't like when people cut their hair. Like, I remember she shaved her eyebrows off. Okay, that was a little different, but like, leave her alone. Leave people alone. Learn to leave people alone. Thank you. Yeah, y'all. That's pretty much it. Make sure you comment down below what else y'all want me to react to. Turn on the post notifications and subscribe, because like I said, y'all just gonna keep seeing me pop up on y'all homepage over and over and over. So y'all subscribe, so you might as well join the fam. Thank you. And I don't know what else to say, so bye.
Come on, look there, she love how I step. Said, Diddy, you do the best. Like, on my back.